everyone, I'm Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3, which is Wednesday, and we are cleaning living spaces today. If you guys missed my first 2 videos, which was bedrooms and bathrooms, I will link them right over here for you guys and you can check those out so you can follow along. Today has already been a really busy day for me. It's already 12:11 and I did grocery shopping, I put all the groceries away, I did a load of dishes, I've been all over the place. So I'm starting a little bit later today than I did the other 2 days. Right now my boys are doing lunchtime, so this is Jensen and Colton and my oldest Caleb is at school right now. So let's talk about what is expected of today, which is Wednesday. Wednesday is living spaces. I'm going to do 1 load of laundry, dust all surfaces, sanitize door handles and light switches, clean any mirrors or glass, wipe down windows and glass doors. So yeah, this should be a fairly easy day, which is why I'm starting so late. I just have to make sure that I am done by like 3:20ish because then I have to go pick up my oldest son at school. So yeah, these guys are about to go down for a nap so I can do all this. Let's get started. guys, that is it for today, and I'm feeling good. I don't even feel worn out. Compared to the last 2 days, it's like I'm having a day off practically. So I was able to do all that in, let's see, an hour maybe? So that was way better than before. I knew I wasn't gonna have to do too much today. Just even looking at the list, it was like not that big of a deal to do all that stuff. Like the windows, it's no big deal. As long as there's not like crazy crusted on stuff on the glass and stuff, it's not that bad. Also the playroom, I always have my kids clean up their own toys, so that is why it looks as clean as it does. There are usually toys everywhere in here by the end of the day. But before my kids go to play or do anything fun besides playing with their toys, like if they want to go outside or watch a show or something, I always make them clean up after themselves. So it really helps save me some time. So today was not bad at all. If you guys missed the last 2 episodes, I will definitely leave them here for you guys so you can go click back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. I'd love if you guys would follow me on my social media pages. I'll leave that right over here for you guys. Thanks for watching.